Welcome to the tutorial of shortlisting courses at howtoabroad.com. Here, once you navigate to the course page, you can select the courses that you are interested in and you can shortlist it. You can also search by course name or university you are interested in. Here, user is looking at TUMD courses. You can also find your shortlisted courses in the shortlisted section and the details of the courses as follows. You can now start your application tracking, which starts with the standard APS verification based on which country you are present in. And you can see the further steps, and based on these steps, you can mark your completion. Thank you for watching.